Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As some of you guys may know, I recently bought the Samsung Galaxy Go 14-inch about 3 months ago, and I did an unboxing video, so make sure you guys go watch that video. The link will be in the description box down below and also be linked in the iCard above. So make sure you guys go watch it. And I just want to do a review slash update because in my unboxing video, I didn't do a in-depth review. I kind of just unboxed the laptop. So without further ado, let's get into it. The Samsung Galaxy Books usually ranges from $200 to $400. I think I got mine for $300 or $400. I'm not really sure, but I will just like put a picture where I bought it from. But it honestly just depends on where you live and like what website you buy it from. A great thing about this laptop is that it has built-in Windows 11. Screen size is 14 inches, which is pretty big. That's really good. I bought this for schoolwork and just school in general. I have a Chromebook for like school I use that the school gave me, but I decided to just buy a new laptop just because like the school they take at the end of the year, and I have summer school. I'm not failing or anything. I'm just taking grade 10 science. I'm in grade 9 just to get ahead. So that was also pretty good. I didn't think of that before, but now that I did buy it, I'm really happy I did buy it because I have summer school and it's online. And that was pretty good timing. The RAM is 4 gigabytes. The storage is 128 gigabytes, which is a lot. I think it's for all of the laptops because mine is 128 gigabytes. So yeah, it's for all of the laptops because I thought it varied, but it didn't. That's a lot of storage, especially for a laptop. Now the only downside of this is just like the customizability, like the colors. The exterior, it only comes in silver, and that's just the color it comes with. So that's kind of a bummer. It looks okay, but I would prefer in like black or something. I would prefer it in black than silver because black is my favorite color. It's very universal. You can go with basically anything, but I just hope like they'll make like a black one, just other colors, because one color is kind of like weird, you know. But yet again, most laptops come in silver anyways, so you can't really expect like much, I guess. And what I've noticed is that it's not built for gaming, and I'll just explain why. Because it overheats pretty easily. This is why I recommend you buy it just for schoolwork. But yet again, schoolwork does take a lot of time, so it's gonna overheat more. But if you're constantly gaming, like the graphics and just like the constant like moving of just like everything, it's gonna overheat faster than when you're using it for schoolwork. It overheats pretty like fast, within like minutes, like within like 30 minutes. It becomes so hot. It becomes so hot I can't put on my laps anymore. It's just that hot. That's the one thing I don't like about it. And when it starts to like get hot and overheat, it becomes very laggy, and the mouse pad just like stops responding. I don't know why. If you also have a Samsung Galaxy Book, comment below if this happens to you, because I think it basically almost happens to me. I'm not really, because I look at the reviews after I bought it because I'm like, why is it just mine? And no one ever mentioned it, so I guess that's just mine. The screen resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Watching videos on this, I wouldn't recommend because the videos, they look kind of grainy, even though I put the quality high. Like for example, a YouTube video, I'll be watching a YouTube video with this, and just the quality doesn't really look appealing to me. Even the colors, they look kind of off. But again, it is a cheap laptop. You have to keep this in mind. It is a cheap laptop, so the quality is not going to be spectacular, like perfect. The battery life is promised to give you 18 hours, but in my experience, like fully charged, when I fully charge it usually lasts 3 to 4 hours max. So that's kind of false advertising. And yeah, like I said, it gets really hot within like minutes of just using it. So you kind of have to like control the way you use it. I guess try not to run too many like apps on there or like many like tabs. Try to keep like your usage as minimal as possible. Like this is not like a laptop that's built for like heavy like duty. It's built for like light stuff, you know. So just keep that in mind. And like back to the mouse pad thing, the mouse pad sometimes it's very just like, it's very stiff sometimes. I don't know how to explain it. I will try to like move it, and like the thing just won't like, it's not doing it now, but just like I will try to like move it and it won't like respond to my finger like recognition, I guess. It has very bad finger recognition. I don't think that's what it's called, but it kind of sucks. Yeah, I hate to be that harsh, but it really does suck. Like it really does suck. Sometimes they are very manageable, except for the mouse thing. It does get kind of frustrating because I use it for other things too, not just school. Another like I guess good thing is the camera. Now don't be fooled, the camera is not like perfect or anything. It's pretty decent for a laptop camera. It has a 720p camera, but don't be fooled, it is not like perfect or like clear or anything. Let me just show you guys what the camera looks like. Alright, so I'm going to camera. This is what the thing looks like. I'm just gonna take some pictures for you guys and just like show you what it looks like. I'm recording with the Samsung Galaxy Go 14, and this is the video quality. It's actually really good for a laptop. I'm not surprised, but it does look really good. I'm definitely not underestimating that. But I hope I can like try to like share it, because I don't know how to share it to a iPhone. If I don't, then you guys won't get to see this footage. So that was the video and camera test. The camera is tolerable, it's pretty good. That's like you're on Zoom or something, then yeah, they can see you, you know, so you don't need like a 4K video camera or something. It's pretty decent. It has a SD card slot, so you can put an SD card for extra memory. So this is the SD card slot right here. So this is the memory card. I want to put this in, and I'll just put it right here. So I just put it in. That's how you add a SD card to the laptop. So I find that pretty good for, you know, for storage, because even though this has 100 gigabytes, I already have 40 gigabytes used. And I haven't been using this for like a long time. Like I said, I bought it 3 months ago, so it already has that much storage just like used. That is insane to me. And I don't have a lot of apps either. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, so that's just another thing to like keep in mind. I have an issue, and this is like the last thing like I wrote for this video, and it's just I have a lot of issues with the App Store. So since this uses Microsoft Store, and Microsoft Store doesn't have a lot of apps, it's very, very limiting, and I'm kind of stuck. Don't get me wrong, it has basic apps that like, you know, everyday like apps, I guess, but like it just doesn't have like, it's very limiting to a lot of apps. Some apps I want to like download, but I don't know, like it's not there. So I don't, so if you guys have like this issue or something, if you guys have like a way to resolve the issue, then please comment down below. This computer, it's good, but it just has a lot of some flaws that just like makes it very like frustrating. So that's the end of this video. Comment down below what you guys think about the laptop. Should you guys buy it? If you do have it, then comment down below your experiences with it and if you like it or not. I like it, but it's just sometimes it just kind of just annoys me. Even now as I'm talking, it's literally hot, and I've been on here for like 10 minutes. It has a lot of flaws, but it also has a lot of good things, like I guess. So, but I do recommend it, but I just recommend you buy a Chromebook if you want to buy this for school. If you're a gamer, I would recommend you not buy this, because yeah, it's not good for gaming. School, sure. Gaming, definitely not. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.